Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison of two fantastic grooming kits, the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit and the 17-PC Beard Trimmer Set. Both products promise to elevate your grooming game, but which one truly delivers? Let's find out. When it comes to versatility, the 17-PC Beard Trimmer Set takes the lead with 4 additional pieces, offering a more comprehensive grooming experience. The 13-in-1 kit, while still robust, may not cater to every specific grooming need, especially for those looking for specialized attachments. A significant difference lies in water resistance. The 17-PC set is fully waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning under running water, while the 13-in-1 kit advises against use near water, limiting its versatility in wet conditions. The 13-in-1 kit features self-sharpening blades, ensuring a consistently sharp edge for precise trimming. In contrast, the 17-PC set uses standard blades that require manual oiling, which may affect long-term performance. This difference could influence your choice based on maintenance preferences. In conclusion, both grooming kits offer excellent features for their price point. If you prioritize versatility and ease of cleaning, the 17-PC Beard Trimmer Set is the way to go. However, if you value cutting performance and self-sharpening technology, the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit may be your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.